Fun.
Good job, man. Thank you.
First on the way down. Ready.
Yep.
Have fun. Woo!
Good job. Whew. Tippy toes only. There we go. Good job, man. Whoop. And just hang out.
Okay.
Wherever you like. Just don't jump.
Don't jump.
Clear. Which is worse because you're not gonna get too far.
Oh yeah, right.
That's what the helmet's for. So you still got your phone. It's all good, man. So long as you drop it, it's a win-win.
That was a Cobra clutch grip right there.
Gracias. Clear. So you said your family's from Lajas?
Yeah, my father's from Lajas.
You visit often?
Oh yeah, we've been here. We've never been here for vacation to do this.
Okay.
Always family. So this is our first time doing this.
Yeah. Good job. Let me clip you in case you decide to jump. Oh, you never know. Cool. Clear.
Who's next?
This is amazing. I think Stacy.
Stacy.
Yeah.
Good job. Very good. Thank you.
Yeah.
One more. Clear.
Wow.
Wait. He's recording everybody coming in.
No picture, no picture.
All right. I should cut off Diana's. No, I would know.
Sideways.
Oh, there she goes. Oh, no. She has it. Almost. Oh.
Yay!
You grabbed it.
Very good.
Sorry about that.
I was like, she's turning. Why would you do that?
You can jump. It's okay. Yeah. Very good. Awesome, guys. Good job. Now I'm gonna throw everybody to the ground. Let me put this in the harness.
Great.
Very good. Now we do the best part.
Yay. Yes. I love it here.
I just realized what's happening right now. Yeah, seriously, I'm terrified.
And then it's okay.
Oh, it's that side. That side.
Same.
Excuse me.
Okay, guys, you can stand right here. Everybody facing me, so everybody sees what I'm about to explain. Because the process will be the same for everyone. So we're rappelling down now.
I'm gonna cry.
This is very extremely safe. You just trust the equipment. You trust this guy you've never met. It's all good. It's all good. Okay. For the rappel, every time will be the same process. Every time I'll be bringing the rope up. The rope will be right in front of me or underneath me. We're gonna do our best not to step on the rope. Okay. Once the rope is up, I will pass the rope through this belay device. This belay device
Oh, that's what I bought me.
creates a grigri. Yes, this belay device creates friction in the rope. That way I belay it on safely, not only safely, slowly. It's also an automatic belay device, which basically means if by any chance I let go, you're not gonna go flying down to the ground. It will lock up, okay? Once I pass the rope through the belay device, the other end of the rope, which is this one with the nuts, this will go in front of your harness to the carabiner that you open once you are safely on the ground. You open the carabiner, take the rope out, so I can pull the rope back up and send the next person down, okay? But for me to do that, I'm gonna need my first participant, sorry.
Yes.
Right here, okay. This will go right here. This is the one that you open once you get to the ground. Take the rope out, okay? Once I have you here facing me, I'm gonna apply tension on the rope. Pull on the harness means that I got you on belay, so then and only then will I release your safety line. At this point, you're ready to go to the edge, facing us. You're gonna spread your feet a little bit for balance, and you're gonna lean back.
Gosh.
Lean back, relax your shoulders, let the harness carry you. There we go. Keep your feet on the edge of the platform, and everybody will do the same. Keep your feet on the platform until I let you know, feet down. When I say feet down, I'm saying bring your feet from the edge to the tree. You will see the tree. It's this guy. He's pretty big. Once you have your feet on the tree, you're gonna either go walking down the tree, or you can do short bounces as you go down. Okay? He will demonstrate. Here you go. Keep your feet up. Feet on the tree. Very good. Awesome. Woo.